Hello, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm participating of another open challenge. Don't go away because I'm going to tell you all about it. Beginning with our first DIY, I purchased this beautiful shadow box at Dollar General. I bought it over the summer and I paid $2. It was 50% off. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 coats of white chalk paint, and I'm going to do this to the entire frame. And because I get impatient, I'm going to go ahead and help it dry with this heat. And I'm going to use this metallic silver and I'm going to give it 1 coat to the entire border. Now that the shallow box is completely dry, I purchased this ornament and it is a house from Dollar Tree. And look at how gorgeous. They had it in 2 different colors, but this color is the one that I prefer. I'm putting a little bit of hot glue and I'm going to put it right inside here. Look at how gorgeous. I am so in love with this. And I also have some little trees and I'm going to take one of them and put it right by the door of this beautiful house. And I have this wood bead and a little piece of leftover greenery. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a little bush. So I'm going to be putting some hot glue right here in this little hole. And then the bush, I'm just going to put it right in there. And with some more hot glue, I'll be gluing it right by the side of the house. Look at how absolutely stunning this looks. I am so in love with this little picture frame. And look at my little diva. She is just checking everything out. She's so intense. Look at her. And look at this beautiful house. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I also have this bowl that I made off camera, and with a little bit of hot glue, I'll glue it right on top of this beautiful picture frame. You're gonna have to let me know in the comment section what you think about this DIY. And if you are enjoying this video, will you consider giving me a thumbs up? It will really help my channel grow and reach other people. And as you can see, I have another Christmas tree that I'm going to be putting right here on the side of this beautiful picture frame. Well guys, I am hoping that you do enjoy this beautiful and simple DIY. Let me know in the comment section once again what you think about this. Look at, oh my god, I hope you like it as much as I do. Today I'm super excited because I am participating of an open invite challenge, and the theme is Christmas house. We have to purchase 2 houses from Dollar Tree and convert it into a Christmas theme. I'm very excited, and the hosts are Krista from Krista's Craft Life and Janice from Craftastic DIYs. Don't forget to visit these ladies. I'll have their channels link in my description box along with the playlist. And don't forget to give these wonderful talented creators along with the playlist a lots of love. So I went to Dollar Tree and they had these beautiful houses. Look how gorgeous. They are new in my Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 of each. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this metal pieces out of here. So like that I can paint both of these houses in white. And then I gave it 1 coat of this Rust-Oleum black paint to the metal hooks. So now I'll be taking the 2 houses and I'm going to give it 1 coat with white chalk paint. After both of them are dry, I'm going to come back and I'm going to take the hearts away from the other 2 houses that you see here, and the roof I'm going to be giving it 1 coat with black chalk paint to all 4. So now everything is dry. Here comes the hooks. They are looking much better. I also have this word that says keys, and I painted 2 in white and 2 in black. And now the houses are nice and dry. As you see, I painted the roof in black and I removed the heart from the other ones. And now we are going to assemble everything together. I have this ribbon from Dollar Tree and I am going to glue 1 strip to each house. And I will be gluing all these letters 1 to each house, spelling the word keys. Okay, so I have this board that I found in my garage. So I went on and I put 2 different hooks right here, 1 on each corner. And now we're gonna start assembling everything together. So I'm gonna put the houses all lined up right up here and I'm gonna hot glue everything together. I'm gonna try to make sure that they are spaced evenly and that once I glue it, they're not gonna come out because what I am using is wood glue. It's hot glue, but it is made for wood. I know you understand what I'm saying. And look at Diva. There she goes again. She's trying to be the movie star. Look at her. I love that little girl. She is so adorable. Moving on, here we go, gluing these houses in place. And of course, I'm gonna do the same process to all 4 of them. Okay guys, now everything is all glued in. Now the hooks, I already spaced them out evenly. So now I'm gonna come back in and I'm gonna put the screws back in just to make sure that this does not go anywhere because we are gonna be hanging things from these hooks. So this piece is pretty heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hanging kit is for pictures and I'm gonna go ahead and tie it to both of these little hooks that we put earlier on this board. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other corner, secure it, make sure that it's not gonna go anywhere when we put it up in the wall. We are gonna be hanging things from these hooks. Now look at these adorable Christmas trees. I'm gonna go ahead and place 3 of them, 1 between each house. This is going to look so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so pretty. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing between the other 2 spaces that you see there. And look at what a beautiful detail this is. I also went and I made little tiny reefs off camera, and I am going to be putting a little bit of white chalk paint just to make it look flock. And then I'm just gonna go ahead with some hot glue, and I am going to glue it to both of the white house. And with these sparkling glitter vase fillers, I'm going to take the smaller ones and I'm going to be putting 3 on each reef. And I just want to remind you once again to make sure that you go visit that playlist, visit these talented young ladies. They are absolutely very creative. Once you go and visit them, you will not regret it. And make sure that when you visit them, you give them a lots of love. And I also want to let you know that I am very grateful that you have stopped by my channel. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you do consider subscribing, and don't forget that notification button, like that every time I upload a video you will get a notification. And please consider giving me that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And again, thank you for stopping by and staying until the end of the video, and I will see you in my next video.